that we've got 53% of countries back in a manufacturing expansion, down from a low of 25% just about, 9 months ago, give or take. What is it, 10 months ago, you had only 25% with growing PMIs, expansionary PMIs above 50. Now you've got 53%, and this is going up. So when does this type of thing happen? That's all that we want to know, ladies and gentlemen. We don't care about data to be geeks. We care about data so we can buy stocks and make a ton of money. That's it. That's the only reason we're here. Other than that, we should just go play golf. I mean, really. So the name of the game is, this happened in when? 2002, that you got the manufacturing expansion. 2001, 2009 back half. This is a recovery. So you might get a slow in tech and a recovering in the unmagnificent manufacturers that drive real growth, which is symptomatic of the people at the lower economic strata outperforming like they did in the previous administration. You can see here from at this level. So I would right up here, 2016, 17, 18,